Hello guys, welcome to Villa Colmenar Natural Spring Resort, ang tinaguriang mini Santorini ng Cavite. Dito guys, mai-enjoy nyo yung bluish water na sobrang lamig siya guys. At ang tubig na ito ay nanggaling pa upstream. At itong resort guys is child friendly kasi mayroon silang intended swimming pool para sa mga bata. And take note guys, ang kagandahan dito sa resort is mayroon silang pool guard na nakabantay 24/7. Ito na guys, ine-enjoy ko na ang natural spring resort ng Villa Colmenar. Tara na guys!
Thank you for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you will be notified on my future uploaded video. Stay tuned for more videos soon. Thank you and have a nice day.